I've got a little coolant leak on my 92 F150 that I am going to fix today. It's out of this little area with this knob. I ended up twisting it to just see what it would do. I didn't know if it would shut off the coolant to the heater core or whatever, but it ended up just leaking ever since. So I'm going to take that off and replace it with the coupler. 5/16 to loosen these hose clamps. Here's a little kit I found. Comes with some hose clamps and some couplers. There we go. So now we just need to tighten these hose clamps back up. There we go. So this should all be fixed now. I'm not really sure what this piece is, but I unscrewed, or I just loosened this just to see what it did, and just started leaking ever since. So that should fix my problem. Thanks for watching. God bless.